Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awan ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. My dear brothers and sisters, King David is a very famous, mighty conqueror and king of Israel. He is well loved despite of his sins because of the many mighty deeds that he was able to accomplish in his kingship. But despite of being a great king, our Lord Jesus Christ in our gospel reading today tells those who are listening to him that King David acknowledges that he is not the Lord. He calls Lord as the Lord. He calls God his Lord. Now, this is a good point for us, my dear brothers and sisters, that we must acknowledge, we must be once again be made aware that we are not gods. We are creatures and we are simply stewards of the Lord. Kaya huwag tayong aasa na parang pagmamay-ari natin ng lahat, na kaya nating paghari-harian at kaya nating paglaruan ang batas, ang mga mamayanan, ang mga tao, dahil lamang tayo'y nasa kapangyarihan. Magandang paalala sa ating mga kapatid na mayroong Diyos at hindi tayo yon. Na sana umasa tayo ayon sa ating lugar. Sana sa buhay natin, makita natin ang Diyos ang may-ari ng lahat. Tayo lamang ay mga kanyang katiwala. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at mag-subscribe sa Salitaw Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.